Hello everyone, how are you? Today I will show you how to make a pretty lace robe for your dolls that you could see yesterday in my doll repaint video. For this robe I will use a lace trim. It's 25 cm wide, but I will need just a half of it, about 12 or 13 cm. So first you need to download the pattern from the link under this video, copy all the details of it to a piece of lace and then cut them around. And now let's start sewing it. First I connect the shoulders of the back and the front parts together. And now let's attach the sleeves. I connect the middle of the sleeve to the shoulder seam with a pin and then attach the rest. Now I'm going to sew the sides of the robe. Now I need to turn the sleeves out. And I'd never use pencils or other sticks to turn out clothes pieces made with lace, because it's very easy to break it and to make holes. These sleeves are luckily wide enough, so it goes quite easy. The front of the robe I turn in and decorate with satin ribbon. And I use a piece of the same lace as a soft belt. And here is my robe! It looks so delicate and also so sensual in some way. What do you think? Please don't forget to put your likes if this video was useful for you or if you just enjoyed the end result. And of course, subscribe my channel to get more doll crafts every week. And see you very soon in my next videos. Bye!